under the able leadership of Conference Chair Dr. Michael Kuhl, Program Co-Chairs Dr. Gerd Cowenberg and Dr. Jim Weiland. The organizing committee has put together an amazing technical program featuring plenary keynote talks, mini symposia, workshops, invited discussion, oral and poster session. I hope in the next few days you'll be able to attend many of those exciting presentations and have stimulating discussions with your international colleagues while enjoying the beautiful and foggy San Diego. At this point, I would like to recognize the EMBC 12 leadership team. It is their hard work and tremendous leadership which have made this meeting possible. Michael, Gerd, Jim, please come up to the stage to be recognized. Give this guy a big hand, please. Now, I would like to say a few words about EMBS. We currently have about 9,000 active members, which make us one of the largest biomedical engineering society. We sponsor and co-sponsor 10 publications. The latest edition is a journal, open access journal, on translational engineering in medicine and health. We hope this journal will provide a unique platform for rapid dissemination of your translational work. I also hope I can count on your full support to make this journal a great success. Our annual meeting is one of the largest international conferences on biomedical engineering. For example, this year here, we have well over 2,500 attendees from 68 countries, which make it truly an international event. We strategically place the meeting around the globe. Next year, the meeting will be in Osaka, Japan, and then in Chicago, Illinois, then in Milan, Italy. I hope to see you all at those future meetings as well. I'm also extremely pleased to report EMBS has a very well-established awards program. As president of the society, this is truly my happiest moment to recognize the outstanding work and achievement of my fellow biomedical engineer. First, the Best Student Chapter or Club Award. This award recognizes outstanding activity performed by a new EMBS student club or chapter within the first 12 months of each formation. I'm extremely pleased to announce the winner of this year's award is CICB Concepcion EMBS Club based in Chile. The club chair is Mr. Michel Sayas. Mr. Michel Sayas, could you please come up to the stage to receive the award on behalf of your club. Next, Outstanding Chapter Award. This award recognizes outstanding achievement in membership development, membership service, community outreach, and promotion of EMBS. I'm very pleased to announce the winner of this year's award is the Malaysia EMBS chapter. The chapter chair is Dr. Lee Yu Kwan. Dr. Kwan, could you please come up to receive the award on behalf of your chapter? Next, IEEE Fellow Awards. IEEE Fellowship is bestowed on individuals who have truly distinguished themselves in scholarship and or technical leadership. It is one of the most selective fellowships of all technical society. It is my great honor to recognize a few EMBS members who have been successfully elevated to IEEE Fellow this year. Dr. Michael Insana for outstanding contributions to ultrasound imaging. Dr. Michael Koo for outstanding contribution to cardiorespiratory control in sleep disorders. Dr. Mark Crow for outstanding contribution to implantable and external defibrillator technology. To Paul Sider for outstanding contributions to bring machine interface technology. Gentlemen, please come up to the stage to be recognized. Congratulations. Thank you. Those are truly distinguished fellows. Actually, some of them asked me, can I say a few words? I told them, yes, but only 3 words because of time limitation, which are, I love EMBS. And you know the outcome. Next, Early Career Achievement Award. This award recognizes outstanding contribution to the field of biomedical engineering by an EMBS member who is within 10 years of completing his or her highest degree. I'm pleased to announce the winner of this award is Dr. Uken Dementia for significant contribution to the invention of microfluidic droplets and its impact in low-cost disposable point-of-care diagnostics. Congratulations.
I have a minute to thank everyone. So I would like to say that I'm honored and humbled by this award. I thank IEEE EMBS for this award and for their generosity awarding me this prestigious award. And I dedicate this award to my colleagues, collaborators, high school students, undergraduate and graduates and postdoctoral fellows who have been in the lab in the past 5 years and who have continued to successful academic positions. And I thank everyone. Thank you very much.
Okay. Next, EMBS Technical Achievement Award. This prestigious award recognizes EMBS members for outstanding achievement, contribution, and/or innovations in a technical area of EMBS, from biosignal processing to bioimaging all the way to biosensors. It is my great pleasure to announce the winner of this award is Dr. Rashid Bashir, for outstanding contribution to the development of micro and nanoscale biosensors. Rashid, congratulations.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you, Zipe, for your leadership for the IEEE EMBS. I also want to thank Professor Luke Lee, who nominated me. It's right there on the slide. I know that's a very long and laborious process, and all the hard work that goes into getting letters and everything, so I really appreciate all the nominators and also the selection committee. It's a lot of work. Like my previous colleague, I would also like to share this award with all of my grad students, past and present. I had a great group of fantastic students and postdocs at Purdue in my first part of my life, and then now at UIUC in the last 5 years. So I really am thankful to them. I think there is, we all have a great opportunity to really use our quantitative skills as engineers and scientists and apply these to great problems, important problems in biology and medicine. So it's a great opportunity, and I think we should do all we can to improve human lives. So we have to keep at it and really make a difference. And I think what this award really means is that I have to go back and keep writing more proposals and keep at it. All right, thank you very much.
Career Achievement Awards are the highest honor EMBS can bestow on its members. We have 2 Career Achievement Awards. Professional Career Achievement Award recognizes outstanding contribution to advancing biomedical engineering and each professional practices as a practicing biomedical engineer working in industry, government, or any other related area in biomedical engineering. This year's winner is Mr. Ruiz Terry for the invention of therapeutic implantable devices and procedure for the treatment of epilepsy and drug-resistant chronic depression. Congratulations.
Well, I want to thank the EMBS for this prestigious award, and it's quite an honor to be included beside the greats of Wilson Greatbatch, Geddes, and Shaldock. Developing a new technology and new company is a rather rough and rugged road to follow. But we've survived 25 years, and the technology the therapy has withstood the test of time. The efficacy, post-market efficacy, is much better than what was shown in the clinical study. The economics, healthcare economics, are highly favorable, and Cyberonics, the company, is still standing after 25 years with a solid financial basis. And of course, I want to accept this on behalf of everybody involved in this big effort, the early VCs, the clinical investigators led by Dr. Kiffin Penry, an outstanding design team that quit their job and worked out of their home basement, the outstanding people at Cyberonics, and particularly the patients that had volunteered for this risky clinical trial. Well, I recommend biomedical engineering to everybody here and look forward to all your contributions in the future. Thanks a lot.
Academic Career Achievement Award. This award recognizes outstanding academic achievement by an EMBS member as an educator and/or researcher with distinguished career of 20 years or more in the field of biomedical engineering. I'm very pleased to announce the winner of this year's award is Dr. Peter Hunter for pioneering contribution to multi-scale modeling of biological systems, especially the famous Physium project. Dr. Hunter is not only an outstanding researcher and educator, he's also a very dedicated EMBS volunteer. Peter, please come up. Congrats.
So I'm very honoured and grateful for this award. It does make me feel rather old getting an end of career achievement award, but because I feel I'm only halfway through. But I'd like to thank particularly Nigel for the nomination and the selection committee for the honour. I'd also like to pick out that the Physiome project has, of course, many contributors, but I think three people in particular I'd like to acknowledge who've played a major role in the development of the Physiome project. One, of course, is Jim Basingthwaite, who kicked the project off and has provided a lot of the initial vision for what we are trying to achieve. Another is Dennis Noble from Oxford, who, again, has, particularly through his roles in the International Union of Physiological Sciences, has been a major promoter of the Physiome concept. And also Paul Nielsen from my own group in New Zealand, the Auckland Bioengineering Institute. Paul has been absolutely key to the development of the standards that we are using in the Physiome project. So I'm very grateful to him over a long period for contributions. And finally, and not just because she's here today, I'd like to thank my wife Karen, who's for her love and support over many, many years. So thank you very much.
Finally, IEEE Medal for Innovations in Healthcare Technology. Through several years of great efforts of EMBS leadership, IEEE established this medal in 2009. The medal recognizes exceptional contributions and/or innovations in engineering within the fields of medicine, biology, and healthcare technology. This is the highest honor the IEEE can bestow on any biomedical engineer, not just EMBS member. The winner of this year's medal is Dr. Saville Wood for pivotal contributions to biomechanics and its applications to orthopedic surgery and sports medicine. Dr. Wood is a member of U.S. National Academy of Engineering, a member of U.S. IOM, of National Academy of Sciences. He is, as far as I know, the only scientist who has received an Olympic gold medal for his or her scientific work. So ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome the legendary Saville Wood to the podium to be recognized.
Well, thank you very much, Zipei and everybody. When I was sitting pretty much up there, I would keep looking, who's going to get this box, you know? Yeah. So obviously, you know, there are a couple of things I like to say. Number one is be nice to people and good things will happen. And that's, you know, you can think that Kurt nominated me for this tremendous honor, and the selection committee must be either they have too much to drink or something. They will give it to a non-member of EMBS, and I really feel that this is a result of I try to live not to offend too many people in my life, and I think good things have happened to me. And I think second thing is that people is really product of the environment. And for the last 43 years in academia and of course 71 years of life, I think I have great family. And my wife is here, Patty, thank you very much. And you know, my big family, wonderful, lots of students, probably over 600 students. A lot of colleagues that are helping me, mentoring me, and assistants that help me. So it's not an effort on just one person. It's a whole, it kind of takes the village to do so. And finally, I like to advise those who you are younger, just dream big. Dream big. And then you should, in your life, try to help as many people as possible. Thank you so much.
This concludes the 2012 EMBS Awards ceremony. I want to thank you for your participation. I also want to encourage you to actively participate in nominating your worthy colleague for next year's awards. Thank you very much.